Hi, I'm Richard Gomez and welcome to Gom at Home. Today, we're preparing a pasta dish. Very simple, very basic, and very easy to make. We're making pasta vongole. And the ingredients are very simple. Of course, kailangan makahanap ka ng magandang clams na available sa market, yung fresh. Sa amuin mo siya. Dapat wala siyang babahong smell. No? And then later, when we start cooking it, yung hindi magbubukas na shell, discard them. And then yung ingredients niya, need parsley, some garlic, pepperoncino or chili, then some pepper. What I did with the shells, pagdating ito galing sa market, nilagay ko siya sa container, then nilagyan ko siya, nugasan ko siya mabuti, nilagyan ko siya ng salt para sumuka, para lumabas yung mga, kasi itong mga shells na to, alam nyo, nasa ilalim to ng buhangin, kinukuha. So, puro pa to ng buhangin. So, kailangan pasukahin mo siya para luminis yung digestive system niya, tapos lumabas lahat ng buhangin. So, kanina pinasukan natin siya. Ngayon, okay na to. What I'll do, I'll just take out the water. Yun. We will cook this in garlic, pepperoncino, and some parsley stalks. Okay? So, yung parsley natin, gamit natin yung parsley stalks para pag niluto natin dyan siya. Ito dito. And then we have garlic. Yung garlic natin, you can use crushed or gusto nyo putulin nyo ng pino yung garlic, ganyan. No? In most of the dishes that I cook or prepare or I eat, gusto ko laging maraming garlic. Sarap kasi ng garlic eh. And then, when it's cooked already, hindi na siya yung very strong or pungent yung taste katulad ng ganito na hilaw pa, malakas talaga yung smell niya. No? So yan lang. Yan siya. And then chili or pepperoncino. What we'll do is cut it in half, just like that. Then lalabas na yung spice niya. Okay? And I'll prepare a little pepper. Tapos habang ginagawa natin ito, mabilis na lutuin yung pasta. So everything's on the table. Nandiyan na siya. We'll open our Doña Elena extra virgin olive oil. Yun. That's it. Okay. And then, tinan dito. Beauty. Sama yung stalks dito. Kasi itong stalks ng parsley, meron pa rin flavor yan. But after natin maluto itong clams, tatanggalin na natin siya. Okay? So we'll get our garlic. Ito natin garlic nandito. And then yung pepperoncino, yung chili, andyan siya. So after yan, okay na, lalagyan natin itong clams. Lulutuin natin yung clams ngayon. Yan. Nice. So, this one, isasama natin dun sa, wow, sarap! Really good. Okay, before it opens, lagyan siya ng wine. About half a cup of wine. Half a cup lang. That's good. And then, konti pa. Yeah, there. Bango. Ang bango. I can smell the clams already. Nice, there. Season it with some pepper. Good, nice. Okay. Starting to open. Yun. Mamaya na siya, i-try with salt. Kasi yung pasta, pag niluto natin, may salt naman yung water natin. So, may salt na yun. So, ngayon, nakita nyo, bubukas na yung mga clams natin. You can slowly pluck them out. No? Tanggalin natin siya. Yun. Yun, tapos hihimayin natin, tatanggalin natin mamaya yung iba, yung shells. Na iba naman, iiwan natin. Nice. They don't cook at the same time eh. So, iniisa-isa natin. Yung iba, nahuhuli siyang bumukas. Yun. Nice. So, yung bukas, tanggalin. Nice. And later on, we're going to use this sauce to cook our pasta. Okay, dyan natin i-finish yung pasta natin. And out of all that, isa lang yung hindi bumukas. Yan, no? Ito lang. Ito lang hindi bumukas. So, discard that, take it out. That's it. To take out naman yung mga clams natin, yung meat niya, no? Separate natin siya. Pero, pag-iiwan pa rin tayo para for aesthetics. No? Para maganda rin tignan yung pasta vongole natin. Yung So next is we'll strain the juice or the broth from sa pinaglutuan natin. So makikita niyo may konti pang sand, no? Ayan, tanggalin natin siya. Tatabi natin 'to. Putulin ko na ngayon. Once mag-boil na yung natin, yung water natin will drop in our pasta. Okay. We'll chop this na pino. Oh, yan lang. Maraming parsley, masarap. Okay. So ngayon, kumukulo na yung water natin. We're going to put some salt. Okay? Huwag kayong matakot na magdagay ng maraming salt. Kailangan maalat yung tubig natin dyan. Yun. And then, for that, siguro we'll put in about, should be good for 2 people, 2 or 3, yeah, yan o, yan lang. Sakto yan dito. Yan, bagsak mo lang. Woo! Nice. Tapos, pababa na yan dyan. Ayan. Now, ang sunod nyan is, lulutuin na natin yung pasta na. Pag lumambot na siya, dito ko natatapusin yung pasta natin. What I'll do now, I'll just put extra flavors lang ulit. I'll just add more garlic. Para ko lang siyang inulit lang ulit. No? There you go. But this time, hindi na kailangan maraming hindi na ganoon karami na garlic. So once mag-soften na yung natin, yung pasta natin, babagsak ko na siya dito. And then we'll put 1 pepperoncino o 1 chili. Yun. Okay? Yun. Hindi pa. Yun. Kailang mabibigla. Ito yan. Yun. You-notice, hindi ko siya nilagyan ng salt. Kasi may salt na yung natin, yung water natin. Okay? So, now our garlic's doing well. Our pepperoncino is doing well. Na-infuse na yung olive oil. No? We can start putting our pasta dito. Yun. Yung pinagluto natin ng clams kanina, yan ngayon ang ilalagay natin dito. Imagine all the flavors of the clams, the white wine, tapos yung garlic, yung kanina. Yan, no? Dahan-dahan kasi may panaiwan ng mga sand doon, no? Para hindi siya mahalo dyan. Kailangan pa niya ng konting liquid. So yung pinagkuluan dito, yun ang ilalagay natin, no? Dadagdagan natin until maluto yung pasta natin. So our pasta's cooking now. Ganda. So what I'm doing is, sinashake ko lang siya, nasishake na ganun. And then magkikreate siya na, ng emulsion, no? So yun ang magiging pinaka-sauce natin for the pasta. Just keep on moving it. Turn it like that. No? Ginagalaw mo lang siya. And then magkikreate siya ng emulsion. Nakikita nyo, parang akala mo mayroon siyang cream sauce. Yung pala emulsion lang siya. Coming from the liquid na kung saan natin niluto yung pasta. And then, at this point, pwede natin isama yung clams natin. Nice. Yan na. Yan na yung flavors natin. Tapos, bagsak mo na yan, yung parsley. Nice, beauty. Tapos, yun. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang halo mo. Ang ganda. Ang bango. Beauty. Beautiful. This is our spaghetti alla vongole. Oh. Okay. Sarap. Very good. Tama-tama lang yung salt, no? Salt came from the pasta water. Wow, sarap. Itong bongga rin. Nakita niyo, it's so easy to make. Yeah. Oh, good. So you want something for your friends, for your family, madaling serve, mabilis lutuin. Siguro ahead of time you can already cook your clams. Then it'll just take what, 15 minutes, and you're ready to serve your pasta bongole. Okay? Thank you so much for joining me right in Gom at Home. Do this in your own kitchen, share it with your friends, and enjoy it with your family. Okay? This is Richard Gomez. I'll see you next time right here in Gom at Home. Goodbye.